Yes, no man, me and your cookie same. Listen, no man, little black pepper in the thing in the curry.
You don't put nothing there.
And put the cracked black pepper. Okay.
Yes.
Hey, that just elevate the flavor to a whole new level. Trust me. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Wagwan. What's cooking in the kitchen today? We are cooking curry turkey neck today. We do the brown stew one already, so we are going to do the curry one.
So right here we have 3 pounds of turkey neck, and mom is going to show us how to do this, the curry style. We did the brown stew, so go and check that out. Almost at 100,000 views in less than 2 days. So get that nice to clean up, trim off all the excess skin from off of there. So when you take off these things now, ensure that it's not chewy. You need something to taste properly, not just you want a nice bite and you don't feel anything chewy. You have to spend a little bit of time to make sure that you clean this up properly. I've never seen anyone clean up turkey neck the way you do. When you clean up your turkey neck, it's well clean.
Yes,
and this is just a wire. Show them the wire first, mommy. This is just a wire that mommy uses. It's like one of those metal wires she used to clean out the marrow of the turkey neck.
You can just use a close rock, the iron part, just take it off and you don't have to bend it, but this is not a closed one.
Okay. And that metal just goes right through and remove all of the gunk, or if you want to say the bone marrow.
Right in this hole.
Take away. Slow down.
Yes.
Don't move the hand. Push. And you clean that right. So look at that. Nice. Clean up proper. Yes, man.
Okay, we're gonna pour the vinegar and the turkey neck now.
And we added a bit before this, but we just didn't caught that on camera.
Yes.
So wash that with the vinegar, and now you're gonna give it a second wash.
Second wash now.
You realize the meat went from looking red to a more so opaque look, so it's like a halal now. All that blood has been washed out nice and fresh with the vinegar.
We're gonna put some all-purpose seasoning. Not plenty because you know it's salt.
So you use about 1.5 tablespoons.
And we're gonna use some Maggi.
So you use 2 different type of all-purpose seasoning, I realize. One of them give you color, but both flavor.
Right.
So in total you use about 3.5 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. Next up we're gonna go into the curry powder.
Right, we're gonna put some of the curry on the meat and then we're gonna burn some in the oil. Okay,
nice. So this curry, we use 12 grams right in here.
We're gonna wash the scotch bonnet pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, and a small onion. Alright, we're gonna cut this. You notice that this pepper very big, so you can't put all of it in there.
So you don't put the seeds, right? Just the fruit of the scotch bonnet pepper to give you that flavor. A little bit of spice, but mostly flavor. We don't use the seed in this one because we don't want it to be too overly hot. And you have a small white onion.
So we're gonna cut up the garlic after we
So that's 3 pegs of garlic or 3 garlic cloves.
I should use a glove. You can't use a glove because we stain your finger the curry.
Whatever word you like, you're comfortable with. Get up curry goat or poor man's curry goat. anyone you want to name it. But if you cannot afford mutton, as mommy call it, or curry goat, then you know this is a great alternative. Use a curry turkey neck, and I'm telling you, kitchen is smelling good, everything is looking good.
Set the pot for the turkey neck. So when we had to wait till the pot get hot, then we put the oil in there. Alright, so we're gonna add the oil in there now.
So about 2 tablespoons.
Yes, so I'm gonna add my curry to the oil now.
I'm gonna put a teaspoon of curry in that hot oil to burn. And when we say burn, we're not talking about getting black. Just wanted to get that nice dark rich color.
Yes, like this.
And this curry looks red on the camera, but I guarantee it's not. It's a nice pretty yellow.
So we're gonna add our turkey neck now.
Okay.
Wow, this is lovely.
So we're just searing this off in that curry.
Yes. Just look at this lovely gravy and it don't make us yet. Wow. Yes, so we're gonna cover it with this and let it simmer down a little bit before we add water to it.
So the condensation from the pot will just allow this to make a nice gravy before we even go ahead and add water in here. So we'll just cover that with the regular pot cover first. Once that's spring enough water, then we're gonna add some more water in, close that down, and then we're just gonna pressure cook it to speed up the cooking process.
We're gonna add water to this mixture now. Some people use hot water, but in that I'm gonna pressure it, I don't have to use hot water. If I wasn't gonna pressure it, I would use the boiling water.
And I'm pretty sure a lot of persons would like to know how they get out that curry stain from this white bowl. We're gonna show you in a bit. Mommy's brought this, you know. How much water you have this, you know? That looks like about a cup and a quarter. But just know you need enough water to cover the meat pieces. At least ½ inch above the meat pieces.
So you're gonna sit this aside now and sort out our kitchen.
Wash up dishes and all these things.
Yeah, time to add the water. Wow, people, look at this. You see what we were talking about?
Just produce its own water.
You can't just put in the meat in the pot and you just throw water on it. No. You're gonna get that rawness and it's not gonna taste proper.
That curry is so pretty.
Yes, so we're gonna add our seasoning water to it now with our leftover onion. We're not gonna add the thyme in there yet.
Nice.
Yes, so we're gonna allow this to pressure for about 10 minutes. We don't want more than 10 minutes here.
Okay.
Because we're gonna add our seasoning after. I don't want it to get soft out. Wow, look at that.
Yes, the meat is not too soft because you want it to keep that form in it.
Yes. So you notice we use bread, and the reason why I use the bread because I don't want the bread already cooked, baked. So
you're making your own breadcrumbs. Okay.
Yes, so we're gonna make the gravy now. And
as we said before, we don't have any
Irish
carrot
potato.
or Irish potato. Hence, we would add that in here. You know what I say? So you can add some Irish potato,
carrot, and some more onion.
Yeah, but right now we don't have that, so we're just gonna leave it.
So we're gonna put just the onion and the sweet pepper. We're gonna add to it.
Yes. Nice.
It smells good too. Yeah.
It's stingy.
So I'm gonna put the sweet pepper. Because you know sweet pepper now have to cook.
We don't cook that for long. We said before, at this point you can add in your potato and your carrot and then cook it for the next 10 minutes or until your potatoes are nice and tender. Tablespoon and a half of butter. Add a little bit of hot water. Just to top up that gravy, because mommy know me love my gravy, you know. Yeah, nothing too much because you don't want to taint the flavor. And that butter is melting beautifully. Yeah. And remember, you don't cook this too much. You cook that in the pressure cooker for about 15 minutes so it's nice and firm still and holds its shape. And then you take that out, turn on back your stove, add in your potatoes and cook that until tender for about 5 to 10 minutes. You know what I say? And as well as your carrot. But right now, just a sweet pepper, that butter, the fresh thyme, and we're good to go. That curry, they smell good and it looks even better. And I'm pretty sure it tastes as well. The breadcrumbs will just thick up that nicely, as well as if you had that Irish potato.
One thing I have left to put in there, and it's a little bit of
black pepper.
Big green black pepper.
Yes, no man, me and your cookie safe. Listen, no man, look at black pepper in the thing in the curry.
You don't put nothing there.
And put the cracked black pepper. Okay.
Yes.
Hey, that just elevate the flavor to a whole new level. Trust me. Now that sell off this a little bit more, a little bit of coconut.
Coconut milk?
Yes, you know like coconut in your curry?
But we don't have no.
So that's something you can do as well. You can add a little bit of coconut milk to this and trust me, it's a done deal. But everything good and curry down, pun intended, you see me? Yeah. 5 minutes or until the gravy is nice and thick.
This is not rice and gungo, this is rice and peas. Rice and gungo people don't follow me. It's just the texture why I say it. Wow. Wow, it smells good, Mr. Morris. We're gonna put the turkey neck here.
Put it on just one side, yeah.
Just remove the thyme.
Yeah, just like a gravy pan now.
Wow.
I had to turn on the camera for this one. This curry, turkey neck, aka ghetto curry goat. I'm gonna say ghetto when I mean a disrespect, because a few persons took offense to the last one. The brown, so we call it ghetto oxtail. That's how I call it. That's my name. You see me? Nothing derogatory. We love food and we love Jamaica, so get that right. But yo, let me tell you this. That turkey neck, yeah, if you don't have goat, which is expensive, poor man choice, turkey neck. Try this recipe. I'm just coming from the gym, I'm not in my best attire, and I'm telling you, I had to taste this so you know, so I don't know game. This gungo and rice, bad. I stopped on the street and got the fresh coconut, you know. Listen to me. This turkey neck come like a curry goat. Me I eat, you know. And I can just pull through the bone because you see how well she clean that bone. Alright, man. Immaculate. Listen to me now, man. I'm not exaggerating. I'm just not going to taste this, but try the recipe. Honestly, I was saying to Mama that if you could have put a little bit of coconut powder or coconut cream, not missing it. The bone, it's like you just want to chew the bone. You can't even tell that you're eating turkey. It's coming like a goat meat. Bad you bad, mommy. Bad you bad. Turkey are bad. To all my existing and new subscribers, I just want to give you a heads up that I do have a family channel called Morris Time Family. So if that's something you're interested in, head on over there, hit subscribe and see that video when I surprise my mom.